Hey there, friend. Welcome back to Wisdom Harmony 101. Today we're going to talk about gold. We all know it's valuable, but its value isn't just about being shiny. It's valuable because it's rare, it lasts forever, and for thousands of years, humans have agreed it represents real wealth. And you know what? You are a lot like gold. Think about it. Gold doesn't wake up wondering, am I still worth something? Its value isn't based on how it feels or what happened to it yesterday. Gold is valuable because of what it inherently is, rare, unchanging, and enduring. Now let's talk about you. Maybe you're sitting there right now feeling like you've lost everything. Maybe someone walked away from you. Maybe you lost your job, your relationship fell apart, or life just knocked you down so hard you can't remember the last time you felt like yourself. Maybe you've been hurt, abandoned, or abused. And now you feel worthless. I get it. I really do. When life breaks you down, it's easy to believe the lie that you don't matter anymore, that your value somehow disappeared with your circumstances. But here's the truth, friend. Your worth was never tied to what happened to you. Just like gold doesn't lose value when it's buried in dirt or when it gets scratched, you don't lose your worth when life gets hard. You are not defined by your pain. You are not defined by who left you, who hurt you, or what you lost. You have inherent worth. You were born with it. It's in the very fact that you exist. Your value doesn't come from your job title, your bank account, or your past mistakes. It comes from the undeniable truth that you are a living, breathing human being with purpose. I know that's hard to believe right now. When you're drowning in problems or crying yourself to sleep, it feels impossible to see your worth. But it's there. Think about this. Gold sits in the ground for centuries. It's covered in mud, hidden, forgotten. But when someone discovers it and cleans it off, it shines. It was valuable the whole time. It just needed to be uncovered. That's you. Right now, you might be buried under pain, shame, regret, or fear. But underneath all that, you are still gold. You are still valuable. You are still worthy. And here's what I need you to understand. The difficulties you're facing right now are temporary. I know they feel permanent. I know it feels like this pain will never end, but it will. Storms pass. Night turns to morning. And you have the power to renewal. Self-renewal isn't about forgetting what happened. It's about refusing to let your past define your future. It's about looking at yourself in the mirror and saying, I've been through hell, but I'm still here. I'm still standing, and I'm gonna keep going. Because your worth isn't something you earn, it's something you have. You don't have to prove it. You just have to remember it. So, how do we apply this when life feels overwhelming? First, stop waiting for external validation. Stop waiting for someone to come back or for the job to work out before you believe you're valuable. Your worth is not up for negotiation. Decide today that you matter. Second, take one small step towards self-renewal. Just one. Maybe it's getting out of bed early. Maybe it's reaching out to someone you trust. Maybe it's forgiving yourself. Self-renewal starts with one intentional step. Third, defend your mind. Stop replaying the negative soundtrack. Stop agreeing with the lies that say you're not enough. Start speaking truth over yourself. This is hard, but it's temporary. I will survive this. Fourth, take care of yourself. I mean, really take care of yourself. Eat something good. Move your body. Get some sunlight. Do something that reminds you that you're worth caring for. Because you are. And finally, remember, you are gold. Not because life is easy. Not because you have it all together. But because your value was never dependent on your circumstances in the first place. You were born with worth, and nothing can take that away from you. As the saying goes, gold is tested by fire, and people are tested by adversity. But both emerge with their value intact, because true worth is not given by circumstance, but revealed through it. The world needs you. Your story isn't over. So, get up. Dust yourself off. Remember who you are. You are irreplaceable. You are priceless. I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself right now. You're going to make it through this. Keep going. Keep shining. I'll see you in the next one.